Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to do a little project on the F-250. OBS, 28 years old, and the paint's really starting to show the age. She's a beautiful truck and really good paint for the age, but as you can see, some of the clear coat, it's not doing too hot, and it's even worse over on the roof. So I found this stuff online, shiny car stuff. We're going to put it on the roof, see if we can't make that look any better. Instructions say wash the car first, so that's what we're gonna do. Getting her washed. Before anybody says anything, the paint's already fucked up, so I'm all right with this. Hey, so as you can tell, the roof of this truck is absolutely beat by the sun. Clear coat's coming up, it's faded, all sorts of scratched. So here's the before. Let's see what happens. To prep the surface, I just got the car washed, and now we're going to use this spray clay to remove anything else. Yeah, so as you can see, got a lot of gunk off, some paint too, because the clear coat's completely gone in some places. So let's get this off the truck. Hey, so next to get all this stuff removed, got a microfiber with a little bit of Dawn on it. Get the surface as clean as possible. And again, you can see that clay bar worked. We removed some of the paint, some of the bad clear coat. So let's get this Dawn off. Hey, now I just got wet rags to get the Dawn off. You can see that second one's got less stuff on it, so I think we're good to dry it off. Let's go. All right, so this surface is now prepped. We've washed it, clay barred it, got the clay bar off. Now it's time for the shiny car stuff. Got an applicator pad. We're just gonna start from one side, work our way on over, see what happens. Get a good amount on there. Hey, and so just like that, we got it applied. We're gonna let it dry. Towards the end, I could already tell it was starting to tack up a little bit there, so we're gonna stop there so I don't get any lines in it. All right, so it's been about an hour since we put this shiny car stuff on my F-250 back there. It says it takes about 48 hours to fully cure, but let's go check it out, see what it looks like. Hey, so as you can see, it already looks a lot better. I don't know if I was using too much or too little, but you can definitely tell there's streaks in this. You can also tell where the paint was faded and the clear coat was coming off. But overall, definitely shinier, not as faded. Not a perfect solution, but we'll see how well this holds up, and I might be doing the hood of this truck as well. Hey, so as you saw, not a perfect fix by any means, but it did do pretty well. This stuff definitely did shine up. My paint didn't fix how damaged the clear coat was, but it does look better than it started. Not sure if I'm going to do the full truck at this point. We're going to see how well the roof holds up. That's why I started up there. I didn't want to do the whole truck and then it be streaky. I don't do a good job. It doesn't look well. So we'll see what happens, but yeah, so far, not bad. Hey, thanks for watching the video, guys. If you want to stick around, I'm going to be filming more content around the OBS F-250, as well as I got a Harley Davidson right here. So If you like these videos, please subscribe. It means a lot. Appreciate it. Bye.